Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see the question. It is saying that construct a minimal DFA where W belongs to any combination of A comma B and number of A in W. Okay. When you divide by 2 it should be 0. Means now number of A should be divisible by 2, not length. Now number of A should be divisible by 2. So here again sigma is your A comma B. Now the language L, epsilon belongs to this language because number of A in epsilon is 0. If you divide by 2 you will get remainder as 0. Then A belongs to this language. Why? Because number of A here is 2, divided by 2, 0. ABA belongs to this language, BBA belongs to this language, ABBB, AA, 4A. So here we are just only concentrating when number of A should be divisible by 2. Now BA, and these are the strings belongs to this language. Now you know that whenever we divide any number by n, if that we have seen in previous lectures, if you divide any decimal number by n, you are going to get n remainders from 0 to n minus 1. So when you are dividing anything by 2, you are going to get 2 remainders. So that's why we require 2 states. One state will indicate that remainder is 0, other state will indicate that the remainder is 1. So initial state will indicate that the remainder is 0 because now length of the string is epsilon also and number of A here is 0. Okay, so since remainder is 0, I need to make this state as the final state. Now by getting any number of B, yeah, this is also a good point. Tell me whether this string any number of B belongs to this language or not. Any number of B. Any number of B also belongs to this language because in any number of B, number of A is 0. If you divide by 2, you are going to get remainder as 0. So any number of B is here. Okay. Number of A 0, divide by 2, you got remainder as 0. Now by getting A, number of A was here 0, number of A is now 1. So divide by 2, remainder is 1. So Q1 I am using. Now here again if you get any number of B, number of A is going to remain same. So irrespective, since here I am concentrating on number of A's divisible by 2, so that's why I am keeping a loop of B. Okay. So because first in any number of B, then also number of A is going to 1 only. Again A, number of A is now become 2. Divide by 2, you got remainder as 0. Again A, 3, 4, 5. So here the number of A's are increasing. In between first A, any number of B's can come. After first A, any number of B's can come. After 1B, any number of A's can come. Okay, so this way we can do. If I will change just here by equal to 1, then only the final state are going to change. But the number of states are going to remain same. Similarly in this question, if I just change, make number of B's in W mod 2 equal to 0, mod 2 equal to 0, then we are going to do initial state is going to be final. Now just changing. So B, if I get 1B, then now number of B should be divisible by 2. So A I will keep in a loop, see, and in case of B, it will be. Why I am doing like this? Because epsilon is there, length, number of B is now 0. In epsilon belongs to this language because in epsilon number of B is 0. Now with respect to B I am talking. With respect to B I am talking. So in epsilon belongs to this language. Epsilon belongs to this language. So accepted. Now any number of A belongs to this language. Why? Because number of B is here is 0. So number of B is here is 0. So I accepted. Now I got 1B, Q1. Why Q1 is split? That indicating that the remainder is 1. Okay. So 0, B, then 1, B, remainder 1. Now after getting any number of A, number of B is going to remain same. Again B, number of B is 2. remainder again P. So like this. So since here I am concentrating on B, I am keeping a loop of A. Here I am concentrating on A, I am keeping a loop of B. Okay, so this kind of questions they can ask in your GATE exam, and they will ask you what is going to be the minimum number of states you will get. So minimum number of states you will get whatever will be the number in A. Okay. So if 2 you require 2 states, if 3 then 3 states, 4 then 4 states, because whatever will be the number you require that many number of states, because every state is going to indicate the remainder, and whatever will be the number that many number of remainders you will get.